Liebe Kundinnen, liebe Kunden, das Jahr 2025 ist ein ganz besonderes Jahr für uns. Wir feiern mit unserer Firma Festool 100-jähriges Firmenjubiläum. Und dafür möchte ich an allererster Stelle ein großes Dankeschön an euch aussprechen. Danke, dass ihr uns auf diesem langen Weg begleitet. Danke für euer Vertrauen in uns und in unsere Produkte. Denn das ist, was für uns zählt.
Welcome to the Festool new product presentation, and thanks to Barbara for this great welcome. For us, 100 years of Festool also means 100 years of expertise, 100 years of exciting new innovations and products. But 100 years is of course not enough for us. We are getting ready for the next few years with you. And to this end, we have once again developed very special new products and innovations from our various areas of expertise: industry, sanding and soaring. And here they are, the new products from Festool.
Hello and welcome to some exciting news about our dust extractor range. Our CT26, 36 and 48 have been successfully established on the market since 2009 and for many of you are an absolute must-have in your tool equipment. But what is so special about them? Above all, the wide range of options. There are 3 container sizes, 3 dust classes, models with and without auto-clean functionality, as well as the special Planex and Renofix variants. This means that whatever your requirements are, we have the right dust extractor solution for you. And due to the high importance of this product group, it's now time to set new impulses. And this is exactly what we are doing, and we are launching the new CT26, 36 and 48 generation at the beginning of 2025. But what are the product highlights? Bluetooth as a standard, and the directly installed Bluetooth interface offers many possibilities. For example, the dust extractor can be started automatically by a Festool cordless tool or via remote control. And this is very convenient and saves the trip to the extractor, of course. Robust and flexible, also with auto-clean. Whether on the construction site or in the workshop, it can be moved very easily thanks to its robust design and large wheels. And the models with AC function now have a technically enhanced and therefore more effective auto-clean functionality. Clean in the system. Dust extractors are characterized by many helpful features. The smooth suction hose, which is neatly stowed away in the hose depot. The bayonet sleeve, which securely connects the hose to Festool tools. Or the T-lock, which can be used to quickly connect the sustainer, pre-separator or work center. This quickly turns the extractor into the center of the system.
In addition to our dust extractors, sanding is also one of our core competences at Festool, which is why we are constantly striving to improve in this field to give you the best sanding results with our system solution comprising machine and accessories. At the time when flexibility and mobility are becoming increasingly important in the craft sector, we want to offer you a solution, namely our new 18-volt cordless random orbital sander. This allows you to complete your sanding work with ease, precision and maximum efficiency, and all without a cable. Let's take a closer look at the product highlights. LED light ring. The integrated LED light ring improves your view of the surface and makes it easier to spot imperfections. The integrated light and the eccentric sanding movement of the ETSC2 ensure an almost flawless surface. Sanding without a socket offers you more flexibility at your work. You can work anywhere without a power socket, be it on the construction site, outdoors, or in hard-to-reach places. Your setup times are reduced as there is no need to lay cables and search for power sources. Ergonomically designed to fit in your hand. Thanks to the low overall height, the sander sits directly in your hand. For comfortable sanding, whether on level ground or overhead, even tight areas can be reached very easily thanks to the compact design.
In addition to our new machines for vacuuming and sanding, we also have new saw accessories. To be able to meet your needs in the future, there are new circular saw blade sets in diameters of 160 to 260 millimeters in 3 different variants. They all have one thing in common. They offer sawing pleasure in a value pack. Every saw deserves a sharp saw blade for every sawing application. With our set, you not only save time when changing saw blades, but also money compared to buying the items individually. We offer 3 different versions. Each set is individually tailored to different applications and materials, and therefore to your needs. Of course, the same applies to the sets as to all our circular saw blades. They are customized for the perfect cut. Cutting angles and tooth shapes are optimized for the respective application and machine. This means you can always rely on absolutely smooth running and efficient sawing with high cutting performance and quality.
Definitely exciting innovations for our various areas of expertise. I hope there was something for you too. But that was just the short version. Now there are more details on how to use our new sander and the new generation of dust extractors. There's also information about our promotions and what new fan merchandise awaits you.
Now it's time for the detailed presentation of the new CT 26, 36 and 48. So which product features are most relevant for you? The control panel is obviously new. The touch panel makes the dust extractor very easy to operate. Directly integrated Bluetooth technology is also completely new. This allows the extractor to be conveniently switched on and off using a remote control or a Bluetooth battery pack, and furthermore a connection to the Festool app can be established. Here, for example, the AC cleaning intervals can be set individually. A lot has also been done inside the extractor for the AC models. Compared to their predecessors, they offer a more effective auto-clean filter cleaning when extracting especially mineral dusts. The advantages are consistently high suction power, long working intervals, and therefore significant time savings. It's also worth taking a look at some of the existing features, as some of them are simply unique on the market. These include T-Lock, which can be used to easily connect sustainers or accessories such as a pre-separator or work center to the extractor, and so the extractor can be easily transported even with several sustainers connected to it. Our smooth hose is also a real highlight. It's flexible and robust. It also glides over every edge and therefore impresses with ideal handling. The hose can be stored here in the hose depot, and this saves a lot of space. Utilizing the entire container volume is also very important. With Festool dust extractors, the filter bag can unfold freely and resulting in almost 100% utilization of the container volume. Let's also not forget the high suction power. The high performance turbine ensures optimum suction results, and the power can be regulated in 5 levels depending on the application. Now let's move on to the accessories. There will be some completely new solutions here. This includes the new module for compressed air, with which the extractor can be started automatically when working with compressed air tools. Also new is the module for an additional socket, with an option for a changeover from auto start function for working with connected machines to continuous power. For example, also a charger can be connected to the extractor without it running continuously. And finally, there are the practical wheel covers. These can be quickly pulled over the wheels to protect sensitive floors. The wheel covers are especially suitable for floor layers. We have taken this as an opportunity to offer a special floor version for this customer group. The wheel and the shoe covers included in the delivery content protect the floor from scratches, and the green PUR cable prevents from unwanted abrasion. Similar to our special versions CT Blanex and CT Renofix, the CT Floor now is ideally suited to a specific application. All in all, our CT 26, 36 and 48 will be significantly upgraded with completely new features, optimized features and new accessory solutions. And the Sys Power Station is the perfect combination for our dust extractors. It's currently still available as a part of the cashback promotion, so take the chance and save €500. You can find all the details on our website.
We would like to introduce you to our new 18-volt cordless random orbital senders in detail. These will be available in D125 and D150. And as the name suggests, this includes our 18-volt system battery. The ETS-C2 is our first sender that you can use with all our 18-volt battery packs, except the Ergo pack. The 18-volt system battery offers the perfect integration into the Festool system and allows you to work anywhere without the restriction of sockets or cable. Thanks to the almost uninterrupted running performance of the battery, you can concentrate fully on your tasks. And the best thing, thanks to the 3.5mm stroke, the removal rate is in no way inferior to our main machines and achieves the same results when sanding. The integrated LED ring is the absolutely unique selling point. The LED light ring allows you to achieve optimum illumination of the surface to be worked on. Unevenness or defects are immediately visible, making tedious reworking unnecessary and saving you valuable time and money. You can adjust the light in 2 stages directly on the machine, or you can use the Festool app. This can be linked via the IoT function, which gives you access to even more functions such as the intensive light control. At the same time, the sander is ergonomically designed to fit perfectly in your hand, regardless of whether you are working, standing up or overhead. The different grip positions enable effortless handling and make your work much easier. Let's talk about the disc brake. This prevents the sanding pad from spinning up by accident. This integrated function protects your workpiece from damage by ensuring that the sanding pad only reaches its set speed when it's placed on the workpiece surface. Our ETS-C2 also comes with the right accessories. Do you have outdoor work where a suction hose is a hindrance? Then use the dust bag included in the scope of delivery. This does not affect the ergonomics of your sander and allows you to reach hard to reach areas that would be difficult or uncomfortable to work on with the suction hose. Another accessory included in the scope of delivery is our protector. This protects your workpiece from damage and also protects the sanding pad. This not only eliminates the need of tedious reworking, but also increase the service life of your sanding pad, resulting in a longer service life and saving you additional costs. And finally, a very important accessory that belongs to every sanding machine and without no sanding work can be carried out: abrasives. Whatever application, we have the right abrasive for you. Also for the ETSC2, Granat Net or Rubin. These abrasives are perfectly matched to our hole pattern for optimum dust extraction. And from this year onwards, we will be offering packs of 50 for all grid sizes in D150 and D125, in addition to our packs of 10 and 100. By the way, abrasives is the perfect keyword for Sarah Joe, because there is also exciting news for saw blades.
Thank you, Dino. You heard right. We have exciting news for you. Our saw blades are now also available in attractive new sets. Let's take a closer look at the new mix packs. The Essential set contains 3 saw blades for the most common sawing applications in diameters of 160, 168, 216 and 260 millimeters. Ideal for all those who want to stock up or have several saws in operation at the same time. The woodworking set is the perfect combination for smooth work processes in the areas of carpentry, flooring and timber construction. We know that a circular saw blade alone is not enough for certain work applications, which is why this set also includes jigsaw blades for all applications with wood, laminate and HPL boards. It is available for diameters of 160 and 168 millimeters. Every material is different. To ensure that you can always work with the right material, the multi-material set offers solid basic equipment for different jobs with different materials. This set consists of 3 different circular saw blades for excellent results when working with wood, laminate, HPL boards and aluminium and plastic. The sets are supplied in practical cardboard packaging with slide-in compartments. This guarantees that you always have the right saw blade to hand. Well, but in 2025 we have another very special event to look forward to. As Barbara mentioned at the beginning, Festool is celebrating its 100th anniversary. Well, let me get dressed up. Oh, much better. 100 years. That means we'll be talking about it all year round. On our website, in a special 100th anniversary magazine, and on social media. And of course, we want to surprise you with great limited edition promotions to mark our anniversary. For example, the DF500 100 Years edition, which is supplied with a 100-year sustainer and includes a free 100-year cap. We are also proud to present the new Cis Eco Limited Edition sustainer. The black sustainer with an exclusive 100th anniversary print is made from high-quality recycled material and therefore an exclusive collector's item. In keeping with the 100th anniversary theme, there are of course also new items in our fan shop. The 100 years long sleeved shirt made from wood fiber, sustainable and versatile. For a special reminder, we now have the unisex t-shirt with the retro Festool logo in a double pack. Of course, the matching headwear in form of a 100 years cap is a must. Or how about special decoration? Our retro metal signs in 2 different designs are perfect for your workshop. All these new products will be available in our fan shop from January 2025.
Let me summarize briefly. The amazing new generation CT26, 36, 48. A real innovation in the field of sanding with our new ETSC2. New fan articles and promotions for our 100 years anniversary, and additions to our range of accessories. Not forgetting, of course, an anniversary that will accompany us throughout the year in terms of communication and great products. Thank you for switching on. We look forward to the next 100 years together.